Hey Nash, what should we make?
I was up late scrolling videos again last night, and I keep seeing Zach Choi's video for BBQ Crispy Chicken. We should make that.
All right, let's make Zach Choi's BBQ Crispy Chicken. Today, we're making Zach Choi's BBQ Crispy Chicken. I've seen this video a bunch of times. You know, I don't know if you know Zach Choi. He makes some awesome stuff. We've made some of his stuff before, but I think this one is one of his most popular. It looks delicious. And he doesn't even talk. He just does the ASMR stuff, but it's kind of cool. So anyways, we're gonna try it out, see if it's any good, see if it's as good as it looks. And hey, without further ado, let's go. So we start with a few chicken breasts. First step is Zach's kind of go-to move, stab it with a fork 1,000 times. And he likes to do this ASMR. So hey, let's give it a try, or should I say ASMR? So let's give it a try. So satisfying. Then he throws the chicken in a bowl and throws a bunch of spices on it. I have no idea what spices he used, so I'm gonna have to guess. We're gonna go with salt, pepper, garlic, smoked paprika, and a little bit of barbecue rub for good measure. And then 1 egg. I don't know if it's controversial to coat a chicken in unborn baby chicken, and then we mix. Take a sheet pan and a bag of barbecue potato chips. We cut it down, whoops, cut it that way. And we put all the barbecue chips. It's too many barbecue chips, usually says nobody, but cover this with some plastic wrap. This would be way easier to just do it in a Ziploc bag or just in the chip bag, but we gotta do it his way. Then we smash them. All right, so we switch to a bag. Then we coat our guys. And now you dispose of your salmonella chips. And with your oil nice and hot, go ahead and put these guys in. Remember to always lay away. And there's our chicken. Cut it open, see what we got. And there we have Zach Choi's BBQ Crispy Chicken. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's pretty darn good. I'd like a little bit more of a barbecue flavor, but I mean, the spices are definitely there. I think that a lot of the flavor from the chips gets washed out, or maybe using a better barbecue chip. Actually, that would probably be the answer. But I'm pretty sure that's what he used. Anyways, pretty darn good. I mean, the chicken's nice and juicy. Like I said, it's seasoned really well. The crispiness on the outside is like out of this world. So just for that, it's worth it. I gave it a 9 out of 10. Pretty darn good. So good job, Zach. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey, bud, how you doing?
I'm stoked to be alive like a pit bull in a butcher shop.
Well, you're drooling. Well, good. We got this, we got Zach Choi's BBQ Crispy Chicken that you wanted. Here you go. What do you think?
Foo-yo! As Uncle Roger would say, Zach really nailed the recipe on this one, and I guess you get some credit too.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything.
Nash approves, I approve. Hey, it's a good dish. I mean, I've been wanting to make it for a while. I've seen the video multiple times. My edits probably aren't as cool as Zach's, and I'm sure my ASMR is as cool as Zach's. But good job, Zach. Good recipe. I'd make it again. Thank you so much for watching. Really means a lot. Appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that'd help us out. Mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. and send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.